Imagine taking nature's most delicate creations and turning them into something truly unique. Welcome to Transforming Nature into Art, a beginner-friendly course that will guide you through the process of creating stunning mixed media artwork using dried leaves. You will learn slow stitching techniques, creating intricate designs with simple, easy-to-learn stitches. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some creative experience, each step is broken down to make it accessible for everyone. Next, we'll explore weaving techniques, adding depth and texture to your design by incorporating fibers and threads into the leaves themselves. It's a meditative process that brings your artwork to life. And for a beautiful finishing touch, you'll discover how to add crochet edges, a simple but impactful way to elevate your designs. Imagine the satisfaction of holding your final piece adorned with intricate textures and stunning craftsmanship. We'll also guide you through the wood burning techniques, create striking etched designs directly onto the leaf. The result is a unique, nature-inspired artwork you can proudly call your own. This course isn't just about learning new techniques, it's about embracing creativity in a way that's accessible for everyone. With step-by-step video tutorials, downloadable resources, and personalized support, you will have everything you need to succeed. Whether you're looking to explore a new hobby, enhance your creative skills, or simply enjoy the therapeutic process of working with nature, this course is for you. Start your creative journey today. Enroll now in Transforming Nature into Art and discover the artist within you.